Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 12th March 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 50 points up more above the level of 10,250 levels at 11,262.5, and US markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. 200 points up on Dow Jones, 149.9 points up on Nasdaq. S&P was up by 40.23 points at the level of 1.47 and 2% and 0.79% respectively. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will obviously open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets have done yesterday. Indian markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. Probably it is showing that we may open above the 11,171 levels in the pre-open itself, because 11,171 guys is a very strong resistance for the Indian markets, because it is an all-time high at one time. So that's the reason, if 11,171 is held as resistance, then the markets will fall down to the level of 11,090, and of course the back to the level of 10,882. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The resistances we have to watch out for are 11,171. Probably it may be broken in the pre-open itself, because it's SGX Nifty is showing 50 points up more, and above that 11,200 is a very strong resistance. Above that 11,215 levels, 11,237 levels, 11,250 levels, and of course 11,291, 11,300, 11,318 are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. What are the levels of support we have to watch out for? Of course the supports are a lot now: 11,150, 11,000, 11,090 and 11,050, 11,000, and if it has to come down more than that, we have to watch out for our 10,950 levels, 10,936, 10,926, 10,900 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. Slow stochastic is showing that we are in a overbought zone. However, we are still going upwards. And fast stochastic is showing that we are in a overbought zone at the level of 93. We are still going up. And MACD is showing we are in a openly great momentum market. That is because we are in a election pre-rally, and MACD is at 65.31 and exponential is at 27.15. so seeing this, there's a huge momentum in the market. So seeing all this, the market is poised for a great move upwards, probably till the level of 11,764 and above as well. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer. Let's hope that the markets see more and more soaring in the markets. So having been so optimistic, I say adieu for today's technical analysis session. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.